Hey everyone, it's me Aprisha and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a Ganoderma testimonial which I have taken from the book My Journey with DXN. It's a real story of an old lady who consumed Ganoderma and then what happened next. If you want to know what is Ganoderma, I already mentioned the website link below in the description. Hope you will enjoy this video and know about the miracles of Ganoderma. The story begins from here.
She vomited blood after consuming our Ganoderma. My panic-driven staff told me as soon as I came to office one day. I was scared because she was an old lady who was offered our products for her ailment. But after taking Ganoderma, she landed herself in the ICU. There are many stories about reactions that people experienced when we started promoting DXN Ganoderma. But this one is worth sharing because it was among the first few. When we received the news, there was a frenzied environment in the office. At that time, we only had 6 staff. I saw my team walking to and fro as if the office had turned into the waiting area outside the ICU, and everyone was curious to know what the doctors had to say about the patient inside. I could see the worry and cautions on their faces. What would happen if something went wrong? What if the old lady succumbed to her illness? Did Ganoderma cause this vomiting? Did she have an allergic reaction to the Ganoderma? What if she is not able to make it? Their faces were all question marks, and somewhere that made my heart beat a bit faster as well. But I could not express my concern. One has to be strong and trust himself. I knew that Ganoderma was safe for anyone of any age who consumed it. And I also believed that a herb that heals would not harm. But when you have a bunch of people around you worrying, the mind tends to bother without any rationale. Sir, what would happen if this old woman died? The business will shut down? People would be scared to take our products? My newest recruit asked me. The whole day, my office cum waiting area outside the ICU was busy with these kinds of talk. However, the staff had also managed to get their routine work done without giving a hint of suspicion to the new members and consumers who had visited the office. No doubt, this was turning out to be a significant case. I left office early that day with my mind anxiously waiting to know the outcome of the old woman's treatment in ICU. The next day, after having a night of not so good sleep, when I went to the office, one of my staff came rushing downstairs to pick my bag as I was parking my car. Sir, the old lady we heard is demanding more Ganoderma. She wants to take more of our Ganoderma. I could see the shock on his face because he was clueless. Why would someone who vomited blood and was taken to the ICU after consuming Ganoderma want to take more of it? I was curious too. So we investigated to know more. We learned that the old lady was discharged from the ICU in a stable condition yesterday evening. Her relative who was caring for her also added that after being discharged from the ICU, she experienced something which was unusual for her. She was able to see the world much better now. The same world which seemed to be dull, boring and hopeless for her suddenly showed up beautifully with all its colors, more vivid and vibrant. She said that it was not the treatment in the ICU, but it was the effect that she related to her vomiting blood. I need to take my Ganoderma, she kept on demanding. This was the first time we realized that this was a kind of detoxification. I had read a lot about the detoxifying effects of Ganoderma, but having to experience one of your consumers sharing her testimony is a different thing. My staff was curious to know more about the effect which Ganoderma left the lady with. I told them, It is not the Ganoderma that caused the lady to vomit blood. Ganoderma can never cause such side effects. It is the body that was showing signs of what we call reflection. This is primarily a method where the body is trying to get rid of the toxins that have been accumulated within our systems over time. The Ganoderma worked on the body, and it's the body which showed the reflection of it. The vomit was the stuff that the body expelled out to detoxify the body and cleanse it. My staff listened to me patiently as good students. Among many positive product testimonials of Ganoderma that we received, there were always some few incidents like these that become a case study to learn more about the way our body works, primarily when it's supported for detoxification.
So, how was the story? If you want to watch more real stories of Ganoderma, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you think that this story should go to everyone, then there is the share option as well. Thanks for watching.